I graduated from IIM Bangalore way back in 2006. Before that, I had finished my chartered accountancy. I was a fresher on campus. And after that, I joined Merrill Lynch for the investment banking division out of the Mumbai office. I was there for nearly 10 years. And I quit in 2015 to launch Briefcase a year later in 2016. Briefcase is a health tech platform for people to manage their medical records. And now we've expanded that platform from a B2C retail business to also include a B2B clinic management and practice management space as well. So investment banking as a space is well known from what people read about deals in the papers, the videos that Inside IIM and other platforms put up, but somewhere that touches only the surface. What it does not do is explain in detail what goes on behind the scenes. In the sense that, yes, in a more recent context, you have a whole host of private equity players and Facebook invest in, say, Reliance Industries in the Jio platform. And but if in a deal like that, what is it that the investment banker does? What is it that the lawyer does? How long does it take? What are the processes? Similarly, within the investment banking firm, what is it that the analyst does? What is it that the VP does? The idea behind these sessions is to tell people about the details of the investment banking world. Yes, in a nutshell, everybody reads in papers, Morgan Stanley, Merrill Lynch, these advised on XYZ deals, ABC deals. But what is it that they actually did? What are their liabilities? What are the work streams? Who does what in each of the teams and within the teams? A large part of this program, the 5 sessions, will be focusing on these nitty-gritties, and we will bring in also context in terms of deals that have already happened, deals that I can talk about really in the public space, wherein what the roles were, what the rationales were, and happy to take questions again based on the live deals that are happening right now or past deals, etc. So in my observation, especially around investment banking, what typically happens in a process every day is that when we are inquiring about a career, when we're inquiring about any line of work, we tend to reach out to our peers who are more or less at the same level as us, or maybe a few years senior at best. However, in your career, you cannot aspire to be someone at a level where your peer currently is. Your aspiration has to be someone who is 5 or 6 levels above that peer. So therefore, the feedback that one has to seek, the insight that one has to seek, also needs to come from someone at that level. You do not join, say, for example, you do not join the film industry to be a junior artist. You will join the film industry to be a superstar. So the idea is to take feedback from someone who has achieved those levels, so that you can work towards it. Yes, it's important to know what you're getting into even at the junior level, and that will also be covered in the program. But eventually, where the pot of gold lies, that is what you need to understand, and that will be the takeaway from these sessions. If you are someone who is serious about looking at investment banking as a career, or even giving it a fair evaluation, I suggest you sign up for the course for these 5 hours of your life. It's only 5 hours in perspective, but the decision that you will arrive at the end of it will be a more informed one than otherwise is.